Good morning. Welcome to Homestead Kitchen Living. This week I decided to try a breakfast treat. You like cinnamon toast? I love cinnamon toast. It was one of my favorites growing up as a kid. And I love cream cheese. Well, what would you think if I put them together in a breakfast treat? It's called the cinnamon toast cream cheese roll-up. You can make these ahead of time, put them in the refrigerator, have them available pretty much any time. So, you want to see how I make my cinnamon cream cheese roll-ups? Follow me along in this video.
My God, what did you eat?
My video. I hope you enjoyed it. Just remember, when the going gets tough, the tough find something to eat. The best way to do that is to cook it yourself. Homestead Kitchen Living, making cooking fun again. Please remember to like, subscribe, share it with a friend. Thanks again for watching.